that there is a new feature in Systeme.io, one of the best tools for online success. So there is a new feature, super awesome feature that can save you money, and you can integrate it with your super system. So what is the feature? The Systeme.io has launched calendar feature. You don't have to pay anything to Calendly. So Systeme.io actually really killing the market for few years. It has killed active campaigns, it has killed ConvertKit, it has killed ClickFunnels, Teachable, Graphy, so many tools Systeme.io has successfully killed. But let's not talk about killing, let's talk about the feature, calendar feature. But there has been so many confusions how to use this calendar feature in Systeme.io efficiently and effectively. So let's go ahead. After watching this video, you will be able to understand how to use this calendar. Sorry for that. Okay, so when you go to Systeme.io, you see that this is the screen dashboard, and in the dashboard you see dashboard, contacts, pipelines, calendar. Yeah, this is the fourth option, calendar. So this is the option calendar. So here you can create any event. You can create an event with your paid students, with normal leads. For using this feature in Calendly, you were required to pay money. In this system, you are not paying any extra money, and you are able to use it in a very, very premium manner. So Calendly is killed with this feature. Okay. So I mean it. When I'm saying killed, killed. If people don't know, if people don't want to save their money, that is their problem. But normally it is killed. Before going ahead with calendar feature, go to your settings. And in settings, there is an option called Zoom integration. Click on Zoom integration, and here this button will be highlighted. Before integrating your Zoom in additional tab, log into your Zoom account. Logged in. Once you are logged in, come here, click on this button. It will ask for permission, and your Zoom will be integrated here. Super easy. Nowadays, life is super easy, dear friends. Okay. Now, once your Zoom is integrated, go to calendar. Now, create a new event, and this is my event. So I can say consultancy and clarity session with Sunil. Event duration I can keep 30, 40, whatever. I think 45 minutes a decent time. Nobody is satisfied in 30 minutes. Now I can choose online, obviously online. Phone personal doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to 1 minute. Something is wrong here. Just 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, my screen is being shared. So yes, host name is I these days use Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. Spelling mistake, you Guruji. Okay, choose online because you have already integrated Zoom. So this is already ticked. Click on save. Now description you can write something else, but for now I'm just copying and pasting the whatever is the event name. Okay, now date range you can choose from which date to which date you are available. So from December 2022 to, okay, you have to choose the first date first, then you can choose any last date. So I'm choosing February 28, apply. So from December 2022 February 28 I am available. You can change these dates anytime, not a problem. Global availability settings are not configured. This is something you can configure somewhere else, but not doesn't make any difference really. Okay, now you can say that I am available on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, whatever you can say. So I am available all the time. So here you can choose from 11:30 a.m. I am available. So I'm copying this and just pasting here in all the sections from the time of availability, and that's it. Now the time till what time I am available is I am available till 5 p.m. I am available. Update these sections, copy paste the time, and and that's it. time is updated. If you want to add another slot for the same day, you can add that. So there is a complete flexibility that when you are available on Sunday, when you are available on Monday, you can keep it same, you can keep it different for every day. Totally your choice, you have freedom. It's a premium feature. Calendly charges for this, but you have this for free. You can create multiple events. Okay. Now, daily limits, how many appointments I can have daily. So I can have daily, for you it is your choice. And the event is start time increments is this is little bit confusing here. Choose how often time slots are available. For example, a 15-minute increment creates slots like 9. Yeah. So increments 5 minutes increments. It's a little bit technical thing, but you can check it and you can understand. Like if I am available at 9, then if I can be available at 9:05 or not, if I can be available at 9:15 or not, this is something that. So yes, I can be available at 9:05 also. So if I have just finished a meeting at 9, another meeting can start at 9:05. It will go for 45 minutes, and once it is over, after 5 minutes I am still available. This is like that. Before event I need 5 minutes of break. After event I need 5 minutes of break. That's fine. Cooling period automatically detect and show the times in my invitees time zone. It is good. So this is how you set up the calendar. The calendar settings are updated, save and preview. So this is how your calendar will be used. Here people can choose the date, time, and they can proceed with the name and email. But now the question is, there is no link to use this calendar link. There is no link. How to share this? Uh, like bookings are there. I had two bookings, but I deleted them. I can update my availability here also, event here also, but there is no link. Which link you need to share with people so that they can book the appointment? There is no link, right? But Systeme, this is a perfect tool for everything. You need to create a sales funnel. You need to create a sales funnel where you will use the calendar. So let's go ahead, create a uh, sales funnel, or we can say funnel. Here you can say book an appointment with Sunil. Build an audience, okay, and currency if you want to change, otherwise it's okay. I'm keeping it Indian rupee. You can keep it USD, whatever you want. Now this is created. Click on this. This is the squeeze page and this is the thank you page. So we have to work on the squeeze page. You can choose any template. Doesn't make any difference for calendar. Okay, so choose this and book appointment step. Book appointment with Sunil. Just you can write it, and here you can say book appointment with Sunil, like that. Okay, or you can say book Sunil. That is also fine. Book Sunil. Now we are going to edit the page. Okay, so what are we going to do is we are going to remove each and everything. We are not going to keep anything here because it's about calendar. It's not about anything else. If you want to keep fancy things, it's your choice. Normally it's calendar, so I'm not going to keep anything here. I'm not going to keep anything. I'm going to delete everything from this page because I will just use calendar. Okay, so I have removed each and everything. Now on the left side I have calendar. So I have dragged it here. I have, so here when you click on calendar, here you have to choose which calendar. So I have only one event, you have to choose it. So this is done. There is no other setting. So this is the calendar we have chosen. On the squeeze page, click on save changes. Okay, now get out. I mean, come out of this. Go to the thank you page and choose the thank you page, any template, because we are going to keep it simple. So thank you page also, you can delete most of the things. And let's delete some unnecessary things from here. Okay, now here I can say awesome, awesome. Your session with Sunil is booked. See you, see you, see you at the scheduled time. If you have any questions, email me at connect at careerbuildingschool.com. So just you put your email ID, okay, and you can remove this button. This is also not required. If you want to put your photo, that's fine. I can put my photo here. 1 minute. Okay, this is a big mistake. Let me remove this photo from here. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm going to show you one photo. So photo is not required. I'm just trying to show you that yes, you can do it. So this is thank you page. Thank you page is done. Now I will show you how the calendar works. You are going to share this link. This is your booking link. Copy this link and you can share it with anyone. I'm going to open it in the new browser. Okay, so I'm going to open this in the new browser, and as you can see, the calendar is open, as beautiful as Calendly, and you are not paying anything. This is a premium feature. Anybody can select the date, 23 December. The person has chosen time as per the preference. Next step, it's very easy. You don't have to worry about anything. So first name, the person can enter Sunil. Last name, the person can enter Chaudhary, whatever is the last name. Email ID at the rate whatever.com. Okay, now the phone number is whatever jo bhi hai. Okay, so phone number is done. Submit, click on submit. So once the person clicks on submit, goes to the thank you page. Awesome, your session with Sunil is booked. See you at the scheduled time. If you have any questions, email me at connect at the rate careerbuildingschool.com. So I'm sure that you must have learned that how easy it is to use the calendar feature in Systeme.io. And if you need any guidance related to online success, I'm always here to support you. Okay, complete support available in English and Hindi. Feel free to ask me any questions. My mission is to help you. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.